Thank you, Mr. Speaker. On July 28, 2011, the closure of Navistar in Chatham was finalized, causing over 1,000 workers to lose their job. Since that day, there have been ongoing pension disputes between Navistar and the workers' union Unifor, Locals 127 and 35. Recently, Navistar appealed to fiscal pension decision, which has caused families to wait even longer for resolution. Workers were recently surprised by the cancellation of hearings scheduled for December 9th, 11th, 12th, and 16th. Constituents, many of whom are former Navistar workers anxiously awaiting a decision, are justifiably concerned. I've received many calls from my Chatham office from outraged workers. Finance Minister Sousa has apologized for the delay and has stated that the hearings will be rescheduled as soon as possible. What was hoped to have been a Merry Christmas finally for the affected families, who, by the way, have been forced to deeply dip into their savings in order to pay their bills. Speaker, I've been advocating for these employees and their families since I've been in office, and I will continue to do so. It's my sincere hope that this matter will be resolved as soon as possible, allowing families in Chatham to move forward. Thank you, Speaker.